Hey everybody, in this video we're going to go over how to create linear regressions in Google Sheets. If you want to follow along with this certain spreadsheet, I've linked it in the comments below so you can follow along. But if you have your own set of data that you want to work with, feel free to use that as well. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the videos we have coming out from the channel. So the first thing in order to create a linear regression is to create a scatter plot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two columns, column B and C, and this is comparing the governor's salary of a given state with the median property value. And so if I insert chart, now this time Google Sheets actually detected that I wanted a scatter plot, which is what I wanted, and it labels the government salary as the explanatory variable and the median property value, that is the response variable. Now, in order to come up with the linear regression, under my chart editor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Customize, and if I click on Series, it drops down, and I can click Trend Line. And so what that does is that automatically produces the least squares regression line. Now, I can adjust the type of trend line. I can make it exponential, I can make it polynomial, I can make a power series, or if you're using finances, I can use a moving average. But linear is what we're good for right now. I can change the color over here, make it stand out more. I can make it more opaque, or I can make it less opaque and really stand out. And then I can also make it thicker. And let's see, make it down to 4. That's a little bit better. Now, one thing here that people have a hard time with is it's showing how well it trends, but it doesn't give the equation. That's where the label comes in. If you go down to use equation, there it gives our equation right there. 1.25 times the governor's salary plus 46,394. Now, we also have the option of showing the R squared value. And R squared is basically telling us that 14% or so of the change in governor's salary accounts for the differences in the median property value. Now I'll take that off for the moment. And so even if I were to change any of these points, the linear regression is going to change automatically. So if I change Alabama to 221,000, it made that change just automatically. So this is how we come up with the least squares regression line in Google Sheets. You always want to be sure that you have that label up there, because otherwise Google will not give you that equation. It will just show it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have suggestions or problems you want to see worked out, type a comment below. To support the channel, click the Patreon link to help keep this going. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the best way to understand something is to do it.